So in this video, we are going to see the uh, the queries of second lab program. That is, the first query is count the customers with above grades above Bangalore's average. But before going to that, I'll just show you uh, how the values have been inserted. So after inserting the values, if you write select star from salesman, we will get all those values which we have inserted. Then select star from customers and orders. So these are the values we have inserted, and now we will start with our first query, that is count the customers with grades above Bangalore's average. So it is looks like a simple query, but we need to count the customers with grade above Bangalore's average. Means if you observe here in the customer table, in the customer table, here we have the city as Bangalore here, and we need to make the average of this Bangalore first. Then we we need to select those cities their their grade is more than Bangalore's average. Means that is, if you observe in customer table, so there are grades given. So we need to find out the average grade of Bangalore city. So what is the average grade? So if you observe, there are three customers from Bangalore, that is Preeti, Chetan and Mamta. So if you see, if I find the average, that is 100 plus. So for Chetan the grade is 200 plus, and next one is 400, that is Mamta. So if I find the average, that is 700 divided by 3, so if you observe here we are getting 233.3. So this is the average grade of Bengaluru. Then we need to, if you execute that query, we should get the answer as Mangalore's average is greater, that is 300. Then Chennai is greater, that is 400. Then again Chennai, so that is 300. So we need to count. There are customers who have greater than 233.3. Okay, so for that we have uh, we have the first the query, that is select the average grade from customer where city is equals to Bangalore. Why? Because I want to check the what is the average grade of the Bangalore city. So I'm getting 233.33. So this is the average grade now. Now I have to write a query, subquery, where I should check what is the uh, how many customers are there whose grade is more than this, that is 233.33. So how I can do this? So before writing the subquery, uh, I'm just writing that select count the customer IDs as number of customers, comma grade from customer table. So I'm grouping them by the grade. Why? Because if there are similar grades, I'm just taking if a number of customers of having same grade. So if you observe here 100 as one customer, but 300 as two customers. Okay, so this is to get how many number of customers are having the same grades. To now I have just calculated the select average grade from customer where city is equals to Bangalore. So we need to integrate these two queries. Then I will get the answer as 300 and 400. 100. Okay, so how to do that? So these two have been integrated. Please observe here, this is the first, the customer which I am selecting as select count the distinct customers as number of customers comma grade from customer group by grade and having grade. So having grade is, it is a clause that is after grouping these, now I have to observe having grade more than Bangalore's average. So I know how to calculate the Bangalore's average, that is this query, that is select average grade from customer where city is equals to Bangalore. Now this has to be the more than your Bangalore's average, that is 300 is more than Bangalore's average, that is 233.33, then 400 is more than that. So how to integrate this greater than open bracket and close bracket? So we can write two queries. So this is called as a complex query. Means this is the subquery which we have written. So this is the main query. So we can club two queries into one statement. So first I am finding how many number of customers are having a grade, and I'm grouping the grade because I don't want the customer name. I want only the number of customers. So that's why I'm grouping them by using grade. So if there are two customers of having same grade, then I will get this. Okay, uh, that is here. So I will get this table. Uh, that is what we have got in number of customers and grade. So the select average, if you club this, we will get the number of customers are 300 and 400. That is this table. Okay, this is our first query. Thank you.